give Nanny and Pop a lot of kisses and hugs.
You better hug Pop.
We're going on our first adventure.
Be safe, guys.
Tell them. Oh.
Bye.
Give Nanny a kiss.
Pray for us.
Pop,
Hi, Shane.
I want you to say it over and over again. Left side of the road.
Left side only.
Left side
Left
only.
side only.
Left. Hey, Allie, look what I did. Just in case my GPS doesn't work, I took pictures.
Yeah, that's smart. Wrong side of the car already, Pop.
Stay left.
Wow. What do you gotta remember?
Stay on the left.
Alright guys, so the plan was to go fishing today, but Nanny and Pop actually did really get lost like we were hoping that they wouldn't, and it took way longer than expected and we couldn't get a hold of them, so we ended up canceling our fishing trip and now we're going to find something else to do. And ARIAH mentioned that she wants to go horseback riding, so we're going to Kamala Beach to try and see if we can find some horses to ride. We're really excited and we're gonna have a little beach day and see what else we can get into.
All right, well, we went to go set up the horseback riding and they are out about an hour, so we're gonna go get our hair braided, me and ARIAH, and then we're gonna come back and let the girl ride the horse.
Are
you gonna get your hair braided, girl?
Oh my goodness. We've walked by this place a couple times now and today we're stopping. Hello, happy.
I think she wants to get her hair braided.
Can you do his head?
You
Yeah?
can?
Okay.
Oh, okay. What color do you want?
I want pink.
Oh,
I want pink.
of course you do. What color pink?
Oh,
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I'm so excited. Our girl has been seeing these little braids since we were in Boca's. All the little Australian girls were having them, so she's very excited. This is so
ARIAH,
cute.
you get your hair braided?
ARIAH, you've never had this before, besides from Mama. The things a dad will do for their daughter. That's your favorite color. Dad, are you sure you don't want pink?
I'm getting pink.
Should Dad get pink?
yeah.
That feel good, Dad? How's it feel?
It's therapy. I needed it after this morning.
Pull on that guy's head.
Mom.
Lean back and relax, girlfriend. Enjoy the start. Dad's not stopped saying, oh my God, since he started.
Glad I got these shades on. You can't see my eyes.
Watering? Wow, girl, that looks so cool. What's really cool is you're going to have this while you ride a horse.
This is the most painful thing I've ever done.
Wow, really? Whoa, look at you, girl.
You're so strong.
You look like a horse girl.
Okay.
It's looking good, Dad. Wow. You're looking like Sean O'Malley, babe.
I'm gonna end up in the Muay Thai gym.
Does it feel good, ARIAH?
Am I getting a tattoo right now?
That looks amazing. Sissies look so good too. Dad, you're a champ. How do you feel?
Painful.
You think we should do your braids or your beard too?
No.
How's it going?
One more.
What'd you think, Daddy?
Braid it up. Doing good.
Just a little blood.
That'll be my first and last.
Wow. Look at you, Bubba. Bubba's getting some. Daddy's all tightened up.
Wowzers, my head's throbbing.
Is it?
My head's throbbing.
You have a mohawk? What? He pulled one out. That boy said, get off me.
I'm ready to do the same. Mom won't take them out.
Literally, we haven't been walked away for 10 minutes. Ariah immediately says take him out. Dad says take him out. I'm like, listen guys, sometimes beauty is pain. So we just have to let it ease into your head. We're not gonna waste all that money. It was like $12.
Wasn't that much money. Also, they did half my head. If they would have done the sides and everything else, I would have rocked it. They literally did the middle of my head and that was it.
I just want to know what you expected for $12.
My whole head.
Our first one. What is that called? That kind?
Yeah.
All right, well, the horses are taking forever, so Daddy decided to take this time and go catch a few waves.
Woo!
Look at that.
Should make me go faster.
Daddy's going surfing while we wait on our horse to get here. Yep, Daddy went out there surfing. So we could ride a horse because of course 5 seconds after he paddles out, here comes our horse.
Hey guys. Check this out.
I see it, please. Would you call that a horse or a pony?
Hi guys.
You like it?
Yes. I'm so happy.
I'm glad.
On your mark, get set, go! Let's see who's gonna win. It's a close one. Ariah Lynn Wickman is our winner.
Bye horsey. Bye. Bye horsey.
Bye, horsies.
I'm gonna show Nanny and Pop my beautiful hair.
Yeah? You think they'll like it?
Yeah.
Let's go see.
Oh, you got your hair painted. How cute is that? And pink.
Show them. Go.
Wow.
She's so excited to show Nanny and Pop.
What are those? That's her hair braided into the
Uh-huh.
How cute. I love it.
Hi.
And brother got his done too.
Ooh. How cute is that?
Daddy got his done too. He got cornrows.
Are you kidding?
No, not. But then he went out and surfed, so
He
it
surfed,
got
huh?
ripped off.
I looked at the surf report today.
It looked good.
Yeah.
It was pretty fun. Wow, Nanny, come home to a nice cooked dinner? That's phenomenal.
One burner,
Yeah.
one helper. I'm glad I started at 4
Oh,
o'clock.
so my
Right. Oh, here comes Pop. Show him your beautiful hair.
You know who you look like? You look like Bo Derek.
Oh my God, look at your pigtail.
Does she look like Bo Derek?
This girl's been excited to show you guys since she undone. I'm going to show Nanny and Pop. They're going to be surprised. Nanny made us a beautiful dinner. Thanks, Nanny.
Thank you, Nanny.
You're welcome.
Thank Pop.
You're welcome.
And thanks, Pop. That's
Wow,
right.
Thank you, Ryder. That
Thank
was
you.
nice.
Oh, Nannie.
It's really nice to come home to a home-cooked meal after a long, fun day. So thank you very much, Nannie.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.